Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about cyclic or closed chain compounds. Now many of you might have seen this figure in one of your classes in chemistry. So this is a very simple structure of a compound called benzene. So if you notice, there is a peculiar behavior that this particular molecule is showing, that in this particular compound the carbon atoms are linked to each other or to the atoms in such a manner that the molecule has a closed chain or a cyclic or a ring structure. Let me draw another example that is known as naphthalene. So in naphthalene, what happens is that you have a carbon, double bond carbon on this position, then you have a carbon here attached to one of the hydrogens, and then you have a double bond here with CH, then you have a single bond CH over here, then you have a carbon attached to a hydrogen over here, and then you have a double bond in this place. Now in the left hand side of this particular molecule, what we have is another single bond here, then you have a carbon attached to a hydrogen over here, and then this molecule is kind of repeating itself. So this would be CH, then a CH again, and then here this is then connected by double bond to C and H. So this particular compound is called naphthalene. So these are the compounds. If you notice, in both these compounds, the carbon atoms when they are attached, they are forming a ring-like structure. So these kind of compounds are known as a closed chain compounds. So I can even take more simpler examples, like for example, let us make the diagram for benzoic acid. So we have carbon, double bond, a CH over here, then this is connected by a single CH carbon hydrogen bond, and then you have a double bond carbon here with a hydrogen attached to it, then you have a C and H attached to it, followed by a C and H over here, and when this carbon turns comes, this is having a COOH group. So this particular compound is known as something as benzoic acid. So basically, what are cyclic or closed chain compounds? So let me write it here. I'll write the definition here. So cyclic or the closed chain compounds. Now these are the compounds in which the carbon atoms are linked to each other or to the atoms of other elements in such a manner that the molecule has a closed chain or a ring structure, and that is what exactly is happening in these two compounds over here. So I hope that you really like the video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.